Laide Bakare continues to drag Eniola Badmus. This a matter no be today o, something. In fact, aside from what she posted, I think these people they don't they get beef tey before that incident, even before the picture of a thing.
As the poet, acting as this, acting as narrator. You don't show. I'm a thespian. So it means she's solo for people that you are rehearsal. Because I realized that a lot of people saw the picture you posted, you knew it was not bad. Yeah, I was in a rehearsal. No phone, no slow mo phone me. You claim you have been calling me that I should put down photo. I didn't see me or record, but me. I want to put it up because if don't pull it down, you abuse the hell out of you insult it. Rather, you insulted the hell out of me. Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ti pọ̀ ju Eniola tí mi ò bá sọ̀rọ̀ ní year yẹn, tí mi ò bá sọ̀rọ̀ ní time yẹn. O ti wá okay, o wá ti DM mi. Eniola, I don't brag. I made you. Let me say the way it is. I made you. If I didn't give you that platform that year, nobody wants you in that movie. Talkless, we want to completely draw. It was just because I kind of love your sense of humor. In fact, to me, if I'm to laugh it better, I would say I'd rather be a comedian. The part in fact, you'll be far better than a lot of comedians that reason. Because you are a very funny person. I saw a lot of posts. I saw that comic potential in you. Like she man so like she jore ngba. Oh, wait till you come to public, you are saying you are not my. And get here, sha. My family are my friends. In fact, kò sígbà tí mo bá rí any of my colleague tó bá check on me because ẹ pè mí Aunty Bimbo wọ́n ṣe pè mí just 3-4 days ago when they like mo ti gbúrò ẹ ti pẹ́ o pé àbáwo ni ṣàlàáfíà ni in my head in my mo jókòó mo ní àwọn èèyàn má ṣì wà o àwọn èèyàn má dá o mo ní Aunty Bimbo people are like that àwọn èèyàn but Eniola when I wanted to when I was planning my housewarming party ibi tí mo ti mọ̀ wípé ìkànnì ẹ ibi tí mo ti mọ̀ pé ìkànnì ẹ ejò ni ẹ èṣù ni ẹ ìgbà tí mo design mo kàn ṣe just the invitation no just the design ni mo design yẹn mo ṣe ń gbà yẹn o I'm so sorry if I'm not reading comments now. I will read later, but I quickly want to say what I wanted to say, then I'll let people talk. I'll really let people talk. Ìgbà tí mo fẹ́ ṣe design lásán ni mo kàn ṣe. I can remember Eniola was the first person tí mo send invite yẹn sí pé Eniola show mo ìyẹn kò ṣe building yẹn ò ṣe kíní kì í ṣe kejì kì í ṣe kẹta but building yẹn kàn I don't post my life on social media. I don't post my children. I don't post anything about me. I don't really sharing the little just because the page is not working. That is why you will just any choice. Left to me, I'm not like that. Eniola, I know the effort. Automatic. Eniola, when you go to any party, be personal photograph.
Somebody said, now because say she never blow one of you for eye. Oniranu Bobo. Is Eniola Badmus the only person to do surgery in this life? All of you must make reference to that fact, even before you can say a complete sentence. No wonder she was avoiding you like a plague yesterday. A baby in adult spewing nonsense, all in the name of explanation. Elarabaye Inije, must you drag another person into your bullshit? Helper of the universe, the maker of all things. Well, I still maintain that this Laide Bakare would have pulled down that picture. She said that she didn't see the message. She didn't see it. But to the best of my knowledge, Instagram, in fact, every social media platform has a notification button. You see the notification icon. Once somebody sends you a message or drop a comment, you must receive it in your notification. unless she wants to tell us now that she doesn't check her notification. And if she tells us that now, guys, is it possible? Please drop your opinion in the comment section. Another person said, what happened now? Let her be if she doesn't want the friendship anymore, Biko. How many people do want to fight because of your housewarming? I go sit down, Jare. I made you. I made you. Then who made you? I beg. Shift jaw. Congratulations to Eniola Maker. Rada rada. Stop talking. You are not meant to shout. Keep your dignity. Madam Bleaching, stop shouting here, Jare. You don't do this. You don't do that. But you get time. Set camera. They repeat same thing. We don't hear. Abi, you get another thing you want talk. You are both an appointee and you're federal and you are state. Both of you should settle your differences and let the past be. Somebody said jealousy don't enter. Another person said that she doesn't see anything wrong in Eniola asking her to put down that picture. If she wasn't comfortable, if she wasn't okay with it, knowing fully well how bloggers are ready to drag her, how netizens are ready to drag her, knowing fully well that bloggers will post it. Nothing, it's just a simple request coming from a place of love. And as for her calling her that name she called her, she was not supposed to do so, beg. Nobody be animal now. Uh-huh. It is well. Guys, that being said, that brings me to the end of this video. Please do give this video a thumbs up, massive likes, comment, and share so that this video will get the visibility that it needs. In case you're watching for the first time, this is Loudly This Lover YouTube. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in on this channel. We react, analyze, we give trending gist, celebrity news, true crime and true crime stories. And to my Tony subscribers, thank you for always watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. Bye bye for now as I'm signing out for my next one. Peace out. I love you all. Okay, Messi. Bye.